So after the development of male and female gametophyte, the next topic is pollination. In previous class, you already studied the what is male gametophyte and what is female gametophyte. Male gametophyte is a pollen grains, female gametophyte is a ovule. So next topic is a pollination. What is pollination? Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. Simple is transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called as pollination. So what are the types of pollination? It is divided into two categories: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination and cross-pollination. So self-pollination further divided into two categories: autogamy and zetogamy. Autogamy and zetogamy. So auto means self. What is the meaning of self or autogamy? When the transfer of pollen grains from one flower to same flower of the ovule is called as autogamy. Suppose this is the single flower. The transfer of pollen grains from same flower anther to the stigma of same flower. यदि एक ही फ्लावर का पॉलन ग्रेन्स उसी फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा में ट्रांसफर हो रहा है तो वो क्या बन गया? ऑटोगेमी. एंड व्हाट इज जीरोटोगेमी? इफ द प्लांट इज सेम बट फ्लावर इज डिफरेंट. प्लांट इज सेम बट फ्लावर इज डिफरेंट. When the transfer of pollen grains of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same plant, this is called as gerontogamy. This process occurs in a maize and autogamy takes place in a pea plant. So clear cut difference. Autogamy, that is transfer of pollen grains from the anther of one flower to the stigma of same flower. But in the gerontogamy is transfer of pollen grains from anther of one flower to the stigma of the another flower, but the plant is same. This is called as gerontogamy. And what is cross pollination? Cross pollination is transfer of pollen from anther to the stigma of another flower of the another plant. And there is plant is also different. So cross pollination required some agents or carrier to carry the pollen grains. So carrier may be air, water and insects. Sometimes birds and human beings and a monkey and rodents also takes place. But main agents are the air, water and insects. If the pollination takes place by the air, this is called as anemophily. If the pollination takes place by the air, process is called as anemophily. If the pollination takes place by water, it is called as hydrophily. And if the pollination takes place by insects, it is called as entomophily. So anemo word related to air, hydro related to water and entomo related to the insects. So flowers having some specific structures for the pollination. So first is air. If the pollination takes place by the air, so what are the specific features occurs in the flowers? Number one is pollen grains light in weight. That's why they are easily fly. यदि pollen grains का weight कम होगा तो easily air में fly कर सकता है. Second, pollen grains light in more in number. Pollen grains more in number बहुत ज्यादा नंबर में होंगे क्योंकि एयर में उड़ करके वो डिस्पर्स हो जाएंगे। नॉन स्टिकी नेचर, नॉन स्टिकी इन नेचर एंड स्टिग्मा शुड बी फेदरी। उस फ्लावर का स्टिग्मा कैसा होगा? फेदरी। दे इजीली कैच द pollen grains. So these are the specific features of the air pollinated flowers. Pollen grains light in weight, more in number, non-sticky nature, and stigma should be feathery. So what are the example? Generally grasses and maize. Example is grasses and maize. Next, if the pollination takes place by water, that is hydrophily. So what are the important features? Number one is pollen grains having mucilaginous coating. Mucilaginous coating. They prevent the desiccation. क्योंकि पानी में बहुत देर तक pollen grains रहने के बाद वो डैमेज हो सकता है, तो उसको डैमेज से बचाने के लिए उसका ऊपर किसका कोटिंग होगा? mucilaginous का. So it prevents the desiccation of pollen grains and elongated ribbon-like pollen grains. Elongated ribbon-like pollen grains. It is not necessary all the aquatic plants are pollinated by the water. For example, Vallisneria is a aquatic water pollinated plant, hydrophily plant. But some plants pollinated by the air and insects also. They are the freely floating on the water surface. Third one is a pollination by insects, that is enterophily. So what are specific features if the pollination by insects? Number one is flowers bright in color, they attract the insects. जितना ब्राइट कलर का फ्लावर होगा वो उतना इंसेक्ट को अट्रैक्ट करेगा पॉलिनेशन के लिए. सेकंड, हैविंग फ्रेग्रेंस, किसी न किसी तरह का उनमें स्मेल होगा, हैविंग फ्रेग्रेंस. एंड थर्ड, हैविंग नेक्टर, इंसेक्ट्स को रिवार्ड देने के लिए उनके पास क्या होगा? नेक्टर. एंड लार्ज petals to let the insects. So these are the some specific features for the insect pollinated flower. So like rose, jasmine, marigold,